In a world where luxury meets innovation, where speed and sophistication travel together, a new masterpiece emerges on the horizon. This isn't just another vehicle. This is McLaren redefining the meaning of movement, comfort, and technology, all on wheels. Welcome to NextLux Reviews, where we uncover the most extraordinary creations in the world of modern luxury. And today, we step into something truly special: the McLaren Motorhome 2027 concept. An electric and solar-powered motorhome that feels more like a private jet on the road. Imagine a future where your home doesn't stay in one place. It moves with you, powered by sunlight, driven by silence, and designed by one of the most iconic performance brands on Earth. This is not fantasy. This is McLaren's bold vision for 2027. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a motorhome. It's a sculpture, a fusion of aerodynamic artistry and futuristic design. Every curve, every line, every reflection on its surface feels alive. The front fascia commands presence, a flowing aerodynamic nose inspired by McLaren's supercar DNA. Slim LED strips trace its edges like strokes of light, wrapping the corners with precision. The deep gloss maroon and gold tones blend in harmony, reflecting light like molten metal under a showroom sky. You don't just see this motorhome, you feel it. The stance is bold, the proportions are powerful, and the wheels, they're pure elegance. Massive multi-spoke alloys finished in champagne gold, wrapped in performance-grade tires. They're not just built for movement, they're crafted to make a statement. As your eyes move along the body, you notice the seamless panels. The glass windows extend in a perfect linear flow, giving it that yacht-like personality. At night, the ambient edge lighting glows softly, giving off a floating effect, as if the entire motorhome is gliding on light. At the rear, McLaren's design philosophy continues: sharp angles, aerodynamic fins, and a set of rear LED bars that resemble the taillights of a hypercar. Every inch of this design tells you one thing: McLaren didn't build a motorhome. They built a moving monument to innovation. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The doors open silently, revealing a living space that doesn't just impress, it mesmerizes. Inside, every surface speaks the language of craftsmanship. Soft-touch Italian leather stretches across the seats and walls. Carbon fiber and brushed aluminum flow across the console lines. LED ambient lighting traces the edges in a soft golden hue, creating an atmosphere that feels both futuristic and intimate. To your right, a full living area. Plush recliners, a panoramic OLED screen that doubles as a workspace and entertainment hub. Surround sound speakers by Bang & Olufsen are integrated seamlessly into the ceiling, offering that deep cinematic sound that fills the cabin without a single visible wire. Further in, the kitchen space redefines practicality. You get an induction cooktop, a built-in coffee maker, refrigerated drawers, and automated storage cabinets that rise and close with a touch. Every inch of it screams luxury. It's not just made for travel, it's made for living beautifully. Behind the kitchen lies the washroom area, designed with minimalism and precision. A rainfall shower system, marble effect walls, touch-controlled mirrors, and heated flooring. Details you'd expect in a five-star suite, not in a vehicle. And then comes the bedroom, the heart of serenity. A king-size bed upholstered in micro-suede, overlooking a wide panoramic window that opens to the world outside. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over the Grand Canyon or the skyline of Vancouver without leaving your bed. That's the lifestyle McLaren wants you to live. Every element inside feels intelligent. Voice-controlled lighting, climate management, automated curtains, and a holographic dashboard system that syncs with your smartwatch or phone. You can control navigation, cabin temperature, and even check battery levels with a voice command. Hey McLaren, show me range status. And speaking of range, the McLaren Motorhome 2027 concept is as advanced under the hood as it is inside. This machine runs on a dual electric motor setup with an advanced solid-state battery system, offering over 600 miles of electric range on a single charge. But here's where it gets even more impressive. It's also solar-assisted. The entire roof features a multi-layer solar panel grid that continuously charges the onboard batteries while driving or parked. On a sunny day, it can recover up to 30% of its energy from solar alone. McLaren's engineers designed it to be not just fast, but sustainably smart. Acceleration? You'd be surprised. Despite its massive body, it can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, thanks to McLaren's torque vectoring technology derived from their Formula One division. Smooth, silent, and shockingly quick. It's like watching a supercar glide through space. Performance meets silence. There's no rumble, no engine noise, just a subtle electric hum that blends perfectly with the sound of the road. And because McLaren built this concept on an adaptive air suspension platform, every mile feels effortless. Whether it's the streets of Los Angeles, the highlands of Scotland, or the wide Canadian highways, the ride remains perfectly smooth. Charging is just as effortless. McLaren has integrated ultra-fast charging compatibility that takes the battery from 10% to 80% in less than 25 minutes using high-voltage stations. And with its onboard solar assist, even remote camping feels limitless. Now let's talk about price, because exclusivity has a number. While McLaren hasn't officially announced production details, experts estimate that the McLaren Motorhome 2027 concept, if built, would cost between $3.5 to $4 million USD, putting it among the most expensive motorhomes in the world. But for McLaren, it's not about cost. It's about creating something no one else dares to imagine. This concept redefines the boundaries of automotive design. It's not a vehicle built for the masses. It's for the dreamers, the travelers, the innovators, people who don't just move from one place to another, but live the journey itself. And that's the essence of the McLaren Motorhome 2027, a creation that blends the power of technology with the poetry of design. It doesn't shout luxury. It whispers it through perfection. Imagine pulling up to a coastal road in Malibu or parking beneath the northern lights, with your entire home wrapped in quiet elegance. Every light flickers with precision, every detail responds to your touch, and every corner reflects who you are, a traveler of tomorrow. This isn't just the future of travel, it's the future of living. So, as we look at this gleaming masterpiece one last time, you realize it's not about the horsepower, not even the price tag. It's about how McLaren turned imagination into engineering and engineering into emotion. A new era is coming, one where homes move as gracefully as art, where silence carries power, and where sunlight fuels dreams. This is the McLaren Motorhome 2027 concept, an electric, solar-powered legend in motion. You've been watching NextLux Reviews, and where we explore the world's most extraordinary creations, one masterpiece at a time. If this vision of the future inspired you, don't forget to leave a like, share this story with fellow dreamers, and subscribe for more breathtaking innovations from around the world. Because here, we don't just review luxury when we experience it. Until next time, travel smart, live bold, and stay inspired.